Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox failed to download or apply critical settings error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller. Select the download option under Geek Uninstaller site. Select the zip file and it will start downloading. Select this folder icon. Double click on the downloaded file. Double click on the application and select yes. Now you just need to type here Roblox. You just need to right click on the Roblox and select force removal and select yes. This will scan for leftover files guys. Select the finish option and this will delete all the files guys. Now just to close stuff here. Make sure Roblox is uninstalled. After that just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows option and now after getting download line install it. After the installation the Roblox open up without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.